Okay, students, remember our essential questions are: why is it important to understand how people around the world are different and alike? And how do children around the world live? Now that we talked about our big idea and our essential questions, we're going to do a small activity to figure out what you already know. So here we have a chart on our board and it has multiple questions. I want you to look through the questions as I read them aloud and think about what you already know about yourself. The questions are: what language do you speak? What does land where you live look like? What is the weather like where you live? How do you get around? What do you like to eat? What do you wear? What do you live in? Where do you live? A house, an apartment, or a mobile home? Or and what activities do you like to do? In a moment, I'm going to pass out a Post-it note to you, and it's going to be a certain color. It's going to match one of these questions. When you get your Post-it note, I want you to look and focus in on the question that matches the Post-it. And then I'm going to give you a couple of minutes. I'm going to walk around and I would like you to answer the question that matches your Post-it note. Okay? Wow, look at all these different answers. Amazing. Let's go through some of them now and see what you said. What language do you speak? Some of you said English. Some of you speak English and Spanish, or English and Chinese. I'm sure there's probably a lot other ones, but other students didn't get that question to answer. But look at the different answers so far. What does land where you live look like? We see a lot of flat. We can see the mountains far away or dusty. Uh, what is weather like where you live? Lots of hot and dry. Ooh, we got some mostly hot, but can be cold in winter. Very hot summer and cold, rainy winter. Nice descriptive words. How do you get around? Ooh, lots of car. Some bike, bus. Good. What do you like to eat? Spaghetti, mac and cheese, pizza. Oh, we have 3 pizzas here. Raise your hand if you like pizza. All right. Hamburgers and fries, pancakes, sandwiches. Very nice. What do you wear? T-shirt, shorts, shirts, pants. Okay, I'm glad we all wear shirts. Good. What do you live in? House, apartment, or mobile home? Okay, lots of house, couple of apartments. Good. What activities do you like to do? School, video games, play on your iPad, playing with brothers and sisters. Very good. I want you to notice all of the different answers that we got just by asking the students here in our classroom. Now, imagine if we were to ask these questions to children around the world. Imagine what kinds of different answers we would get. So as we move along in our lesson, we're going to explore how kids around the world, just like you, how they live and how they would answer these questions. And what role location and weather and culture has on where they live. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to compare and contrast how children live around the world and tell how location, weather, and culture play a part in where they choose to live. In a couple of minutes, we're going to watch some videos about children in different countries around the world, and we will see how they would come to answer these questions?